Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into your Kobas account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Kobas account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Login Kobas. And after searching for that, you can find this first option which says Kobas Login. Just tap on that. And after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just enter your company ID and then enter your username and then enter your password. After entering your details, just tap on login, and after tapping on login you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just simply tap on forgotten password and then reset or recover your password. And after resetting and recovering your password, just come back to this login page and just enter the password that you have resetted and then tap on login. After doing that, you will successfully log into your Kobas account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Kobas account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.